Ms. Johnson, you are suing the defendant, Mr. Ray, here for car damages.
Yes.
You two used to date, and you let Mr. Ray here drive your 2006 BMW SUV. You claim that he admitted to causing some damage to the car, but when you gave him an estimate for repairs, he refused to cover the costs, which is why you're suing him for $1,000.
Yes.
Mr. Ray, you say you didn't cause the damage to her car.
No,
in fact,
I didn't.
you claim that the only reason why she's bringing it up now is because she's jealous that you've moved on with someone else.
I don't understand it.
All right, we're gonna get there. Ms. Johnson, so the first line in your complaint reads, in 2011, Reginald and I met, and we dated a few years later for 9.5 miserable years.
Yep.
What made those 9.5 years miserable? Because that's a long time.
Because he calls me out my name, call me drunks and all that, but he buys the beer. But I stood there because I needed help with my kids, and I regret it to this day.
So while you were together, you claim that you had this SUV. You
Yeah.
actually submitted pictures. And this is the BMW here. And you let him drive it.
Yes.
And you let him drive it for a couple days?
Yes. And the light missing.
And the light is, oh, I see. The light is missing. Okay. Mr. Ray, what happened? Did you admit to causing damage?
No, I did not admit it.
Okay.
Can I explain a little bit? Of
course.
I have a 62 Volkswagen.
Okay.
It was sitting in between her car and another in the driveway. So I pushed it back so the lady could have, I'd be out of her driveway. And when I did that, I turned around and I looked, and I said, baby, who did that? What happened to your bumper? She blames it on me ever since then. Now, I told her, I said, since we was together, don't worry about it. It's not that big of a deal. My car, my Cadillac is in the shop getting fixed. I'll have him to see what it costs.
Okay, so you agreed to fix it, not because you say you caused it.
For all the,
You were just,
for
you
all
two
the
were
hollering
together.
and screaming she was doing, I say, chill out. It's not that big. If you notice, it's not that big of a deal.
When did you two break up?
We were off and on all through the relationship.
Were you on at some point in 2023?
Not as a couple, just as friends.
Okay, ma'am, you're saying y'all broke up in 2023.
Yes, when I found out, my daughter texted me because she found out that Ray got with Esmeralda, and I didn't even know it. You know, I'm still seeing him and everything, you know, but he never told me.
Okay.
And I'm seeing her, me and her been knowing each other for 15 years. Her mother living in front of me. And I called him, he just laughed. You know, he just laughed.
Okay, so there's clearly some hurt.
I'm not
Wait.
hurt. I'm over it.
You're fine. Okay. Why are you now bringing a lawsuit?
I've been asking him to pay for my car.
Okay.
I've been asking him and asking him, but he refused. He said, well, you're going to have to take me to court. So here we are.
The car's been wrecked and it's been smashed. It's smashed. The car's in the junkyard, smashed.
Ma'am, you don't even have the car anymore?
No, I don't have it no more because it was smoking and everything.
Did you fix the car at one point and you're asking to be reimbursed? Or,
I never got a chance to fix it.
so so what would you do with the money then? What would you fix?
I get me another car. I even asked him to get me another car because he the one told me to junk it. So I still told him I still wanted my money. I still wanted my money.
Did you
so
say this when you two were together? Because his claim is that you're only raising this now because he's got a new girlfriend.
No, I've been asking him. I didn't even know they was together, like I said, until my daughter texted me.